Hi guys, in the last video we talked about the AI agent, and in this video we are going to see the live demonstration. For this I am using the browser use, which is one of the famous packages from the Python, because it is very simple and easy to use. So first we have to do some configuration. The configuration is very simple. I provided the API key from the Gemini of the Google AI, and now what I have to do is I have to provide the instruction. So my instruction is simple. Just go to the LinkedIn. Here is my credential. Go to my profile and post something regarding the SEO, and I simply press on the run agent. Now what it will do is it will go to the google.com and search the LinkedIn and open the LinkedIn and started to filling out the configuration that I had provided. So now it is searching for the sign in option. So basically what it is doing right now is it is analyzing every component, including HTML and CSS, and figuring out where is the correct text field or the area to enter the credential. Now it enter my email address. Now it enter my password and simply click on sign in option. Now I got notification on my mobile device and I simply approve it. Now it will started to figuring out where to post. It will figure out the post section. It should analyzing the every component. So it is just starting. We are just starting it out. After the multiple repetition, it will do this tasks in very minimum amount of time because it is training right now. And let me also show you the processing. It is processing like this. It is basically getting the overall instruction from the Gemini uh, through the API that we have integrated. Now it went to the post section and started to writing something about SEO. Great. Now it will simply post it. Great. It completed its task. Now it will stop it overall task and back to the place that we have in the beginning on that same prompt section. Great. So this is overall thing that it is getting from the Gemini, the server of the Google. So let me explain it working process. Right. So here is the API key. Here we give the instruction. The instruction is passed to the Google server through this API key. That server process started to think what to do, what not to do, and provide the instruction to this system, and the system get the instruction and started to execute the overall thing. So this overall setup is very simple. You can even set up it on your own device in just 5 to 10 minutes. And if you really want to do these all by yourself, just comment down. I will make a separate video for it. So for now, thank you. Keep watching, guys.